Not comfortable with the default controls in Delta Force? Learn how to customize your keybinds and create a layout that feels perfect for your playstyle. Changing your keybinds in Delta Force is essential for personalizing your gameplay experience and ensuring your controls feel intuitive. You can usually find these options within the game setting menu. So, from the in-game menu, first go to Settings. There, look for the Keyboard and Mouse tab. Under that tab, look for the option that says Controls and Combat. Here, you'll be able to change keybinds as required. If you can't find the keybind you're looking for here, try switching to the other tabs like Screen and Interaction or Vehicle. To add a keybind, click on one of the empty slots next to the corresponding keybind. Then press the key you want on your keyboard allocated to the action. Once you're done, press ESC to go back. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!